There is a specific kind of magic that happens when you pull the trigger on a high-powered spray wand and watch a decade of grime vanish in a single pass. It is like a magic eraser for your house. This heavy-duty gas-powered machine from one of the most recognizable names in tools is designed to bring industrial cleaning force into your own backyard. We are talking about a unit that delivers over 3,000 pounds of pressure per square inch. That is a massive amount of power. It can push through 2.5 gallons of water every single minute. When you combine that pressure with that volume, you get a tool that does not just wet the surface, but actually shears away the dirt. Think about those stubborn oil stains on the garage floor. Think about the thick layers of pollen that turn your deck green every spring. This machine treats those problems like they are nothing. It comes equipped with a long, high-pressure hose. You also get a set of 5 quick connect nozzles. Those nozzles are your best friends. They let you customize the spray for the job at hand. You can go from a wide fan that is safe for washing the family vehicle to a tight, aggressive stream. That stream can strip old stain off a wooden fence in seconds. Most owners say the setup is incredibly straightforward. You can go from unboxing to blasting dirt in a very short amount of time. It feels like a piece of professional equipment rather than a flimsy plastic toy. However, that professional build quality comes with a few requirements. This unit is a beast to move around. It is built with heavy materials and a solid engine. Do not expect to carry it around with one hand. It has some serious weight to it. Beyond the physical bulk, you have to deal with the energy of the machine itself. When that engine is revving, the whole frame vibrates quite a bit. If you're working on a smooth concrete surface, you might notice the machine slowly migrating away from you. It can actually walk away. It is almost like it has a mind of its own. You have to keep an eye on it. You do not want it to wander off or tug on the hose while you are mid-spray. There have also been some whispers about the frustration of dealing with customer service. If a part fails or you need a warranty claim, the process can be slower than most people would like. That is something to keep in mind if you rely on your tools for a tight schedule. Then there is the darker side of the internet to watch out for. Scammers love high-end tools. They set up polished-looking websites offering this exact pressure washer for a fraction of the retail price. If you see this thing listed for under $100, run away. Those sites are just fishing for your credit card information. They are not selling tools. They are selling headaches. Always buy from a retailer you actually trust. If you are looking to upgrade your home maintenance game, this unit offers a massive jump in capability compared to those small electric models. It turns hours of manual scrubbing into a quick and satisfying task. Just be prepared for the noise, the weight, and the raw power it brings to the table. It is a serious tool for serious cleaning. Before you make the leap, take a long look at what other homeowners are saying. Real-world experience is the best guide when you are investing this much into your property. It is about finding that balance between raw strength and everyday usability. Once you see that clean pavement, you will never want to go back to a regular garden hose. It is a total game changer for your curb appeal.